Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how's your life? Welcome back to Parabe Weekly Wrap Up with me, Aisyah Khairani. The first news, graduation and Haflatut Takharruj batch 112 Silindung Bulan. Sunday, March 27, 2022 is the day of graduation and Haflatut Takharruj for the 112 batch of students of Sumatra Tawalib Parabe Bukit Tinggi Agam Islamic Boarding School. 245 students who named their generation as a Silindung Bulan took a part in a series of graduation ceremonial starting at 8 a.m. The activity opened with a performance from Pramestapa and continued with the drama of the struggle of Sheikh Ibrahim Musa. This was followed by a series of the opening ceremonies and welcome remarks from the Sheikh Ibrahim Musa Foundation, representative of Region of Agam, and the Regional Office of the West Sumatra Ministry of Religion. The event continued with the appearance of Muzakarah paper presented by three panelists guided by a moderator. Panelists, who are students who graduate, convey the problem they discuss in the paper to be responded by a guest and invitees. On this occasion, a number of boarding school leaders in Agam Regency, such as Ponpes Dinia Limojurai, MT Chandung, attended and tested the abilities of the panelists. As the last offering, the 112th generation of Silindung Bulan sang a farewell song typical of Sumatra Tawalib Parabe, Himne Guru, and a farewell song. The atmosphere of emotion filled the field where the graduation was held. After the break and Zuhur prayer, the event continued with the reading of the graduation and the handover of diplomas to the graduates. The second news, Khidmatul Mujtama third batch Mahad Ali. Mahad Ali Sumatra Tawalib Parabe held Khidmatul Mujtama third batch. Khidmatul Mujtama 1443 was held in four Islamic boarding schools, namely Sumatra Tawalib Parabe, Darul Hadis Pasaman Barat, Al-Hidayah Tarbiyah Islamiyah Moro Labuh, and Al-Ikhlas Sungai Arang Muaro Bungu. The participants involved in this activity were 10 men and 11 women. The release of Khidmatul Mujtama was held on Monday, March 28, 2022 in the hall of Campus 2 Jambu Air. Attended by Buya Deswandi and the leader of the lodge, the Khidmatul Mujtama participants received a number of messages and advice which were hoped to be a guide for them while they served in the respective places. The third news, literasi visit of students to TVRI Sumbar and Padang Express. Literasi activities at Sumatra Tawalib Parabe Bukit Tinggi Agam Islamic Boarding School are increasingly widespread. Three literacy organizations in Parabe held literacy visit to TVRI Sumbar and Padang Express. The editors of Al-Bayan magazine, the Writing Santri Community, and Folisa, totaling 85 people, arrived at TVRI at 9 a.m. The group was welcomed by Suryadi, head of news, and Samsul Bahri, head of program at TVRI Sumbar. The group was invited to tour the TVRI office. The students were accompanied by officers from TVRI, visited some rooms including the recording rooms, the technician rooms, and the newsroom. The students even had the opportunity to see the shooting program to get to know television journalism from the practitioners who attend. Next, the group visited the Padang Express newspaper. The group was directed to the Adinegoro Auditorium. The group was welcomed by editors of Padang Express. The students had the opportunity to discuss the journalistic process of the newspaper as well as talk about the students' writing that could be published in newspaper. Mr. Zulkarnaini, the person in charge of the teachers' page at Padang Express, said that Sumatra Tawalib Parabe was no longer a foreign school for Padang Express. Many of the writing of students and teachers have been published.
Kita sangat mengapresiasi kegiatan seperti ini. Bagaimanapun saat ini semangat literasi itu harus kita dorong kepada semua pihak agar mereka pun tahu bagaimana cara berliterasi yang bagus itu. Mereka tidak lagi mudah termakan hoax dan lain-lainnya. Malahan mereka sebaliknya, mereka lah relawan-relawan nantinya untuk menghentikan berita-berita hoax di lapangan. Kita berharap kunjungan seperti ini perlu ditingkatkan intensitasnya, tidak hanya hari ini saja, tapi ke depannya nanti di PADE, nanti juga di media online dan lainnya, sehingga pemahaman mereka tentang literasi itu lebih sempurna. Mungkin
The last news, Mahat Ali Arisalah's visit. Mahat Ali Arisalah visited Sumatra Tawalip Parabe Bukit Tinggi Agam Islamic Boarding School on Saturday, March 20, 2022 for a comparative study. The group, consisting of 3 lecturers and 14 students, arrived at Parabe afternoon. The event opened with remarks and accompanied by discussion and question and answer about history of Sumatra Tawalip Parabe Bukit Tinggi Agam Islamic Boarding School. The focal point in this comparative study is how Islamic boarding school can empower dormitories as a character education space where the students have deserved characters. The PLT of Pondok Caretaker, Ustazah Novitri SAG MPD, firstly explained the condition in Parabe, followed by an intense question and answer section, especially with the principal of the male of dormitory and vice principal of the female dormitory. The event closed with the handover of mementos which were handed over directly from Mudir Mahat Ali Arisalah, Ustadz Zul Adli, to Sumatra Tawalip Parabe Bukit Tinggi Agam Islamic Boarding School. Okay everyone, maybe that's the news for today. I hope you enjoy the news and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.